This is a step-by-step guide on how to install Microsoft Excel add-ins. Add-ins do not always come from Microsoft company. Some of them come from other third parties, depending on availability and what you would like to achieve. There are supplementary programs which help to supplement what is existing within the Microsoft Excel program. So let's see how we can add add-ins, how we can install it. So the first option is you go to Insert, then you search add-ins. Once you go to the add-ins, you click here, add-ins here, or browse add-ins. You go to browse because you want to browse. You want to look for the ones you want to select. So here there are varieties depending on what categories, based on the categories here. Let's say that we are interested in data analytics and we want add-ins to achieve. So here, you see there's filter here. This one filters for you, stock connector and web video player. The rest, you just browse here and select the ones you want. However, some of these selections, add-ins, are not open source. Some of them you will be required to pay. So let's say that we want to do editor's picks. You can go here and select these ones. So it's just simple like that. Project management, Microsoft Visio data visualization. You just have Jira, Cloud for Excel. So you just scroll down and select the one you want. Most of them are all open source. So training and tutorial, what programs you can use, Ghostwriter and Spreadsheet, AI, Ninja, and all the rest. Sales and marketing. So you just add them, select whatever you want and add it, and it will help you. GTP for Excel, Word. So this is how you can add add-ins by browsing. Or else, let's say that you are doing analytics, statistical analysis. In that case, you can just go here. Just go here, you go to options, then you go to add-ins here. Then here within manage, within the selection of manage here, you select here, you go to Excel add-ins. Then you click go. Then here you see this selection here is analysis. If you are analysis toolpack, VBN, Euro currency, solver add-ins, but here we are interested in statistical analysis. So if you select this, it's gonna have the add-ins of statistical analysis. So you click OK. So after the addition, you can just start your Microsoft Excel and you'll be able to do whatever you want on the data regression and analytic tools, histograms, and so many things which are aligned with the statistical analysis, business statistical analysis. So I hope this video helps you to understand how you to add add-ins within your program.